Kate's vlog. It's your girl, Lucy.
It's like the little Brant family and stuff like that.
Yeah.
They also their comments are blocked now.
Really? No, a lot of, I'm wondering why so many comments are blocked on YouTube, like for so many people. YouTube proceeds because when I block the comments on potentially harmful pages, when these potentially harmful pages aren't harmful in any way. Anyways, that's my rant for the day. Pokemon Go. I'm trying to figure out a name for them when I take your camera and I vlog, and like when I say, like, you know how Haley fans like bye vlog pops. What?
Girly pops?
Wontons.
They're wontons.
Oh my God,
It's the wontons.
Bye wontons or bye taquitos.
So like vlog history, bye wontons. We love you.
Bye taquitos. Te quiero mucho. Oh no, meatballs. I'm Italian.
Espanol, I do not understand.
We're literally here for 4 hours.
We'll have to take a hat.
Okay.
What?
Here's the birthday girl. We kicked the ball inside the ocean.
Dylan, don't hurt your toe again. The Little Mermaid be like, good teamwork.
Yo, I want to join. Oh, that dude's got a fat. Ooh, there's a sandcastle. Yeet.
Oh my God, it's cold.
It would be cool too.
See? Did you see? Oh my God. See?
Ah, you tickle.
Yeah, let's go. Nice. Oh, that hurt so much. Because if you put it almost towards the outside. $2,000 based on a daily diet of what we do to food. Okay, it's on that side.
Have more presents.
Mine's on fire.
And then you blow it and set it on fire?
Yeah. You throw it on fire,
It's
you
so
peel
good on
off the
fire.
outside.
What?
And then you eat it like
Y'all
that.
are so crazy. That's weird. No, you just eat it burnt.
No, because then you eat the burnt part.
That's good. Wow.
The burnt part's good.
No, you have to peel it off and it's melted in the
Oh, you
inside.
burn it, man.
Oh, my grandma says cancer.
Cancer. No, it causes cancer. What does?
Carbon.
Yeah. Go on fire. Oh, it's on fire.
Answer for me.
Look at it. Can I take some? Yeah. Y'all are impatient. Got a pimply old marshmallow. Oh, wait.
I can't even tell, but that's Caitlin, just so you know.
Sugar sticks. Oh, here's yours. Yeah. Oh, yay, thank you.
It's so sweet.
I didn't even feel it for some reason. It's hot. Yes.
I have marshmallows all over my face.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, Caitlin, get a video of it.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That's
That'll be fire.
Go.
I think it's enough.
Me and Dylan being the pyromaniacs. Oh man, wow, that was not even close. Wait, I want to fight with someone. Wait. Fight me! No one fall in the fire. Ha! Ha! What is this? Wait, here.
Don't wait me, don't
So much.
Did it? Hands are sticky. Let's try it again. Let's go. Wait, how's the fire?
Dylan,
I want to go to Knott's.
Amelia. It be cold in this house. No. No. We can do it. Yay! Ready? Let's start singing. You start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kundana. Happy birthday to you. The candles are quaking. That was so loud.
Happy birthday.
We can light mine up.
We shouldn't be doing this.
We're all pyromaniacs.
Mom, no, I'm protecting my flame. It's the only thing keeping me going these days.
That's how I look crazy. It's the same way you showed me.
I think it was about. Not like right now.
feel like we just
That's why